Hello, David here, and the project for today is trying to repair this chipped concrete step on my porch. You can see right here where it's been chipped away. It's been there for a long time. First thing I'm going to do is loosen away any loose concrete that's in there using a wire brush. Then I'm going to follow the instructions on here, make up some mix. So the mix is 5.5 parts of cement to 1 part of clean water. Pretty dry. It's not clumping. I think I need to add a little bit more water. I don't know how long it takes to set, but let's let it set. Instructions say to keep it damp for 48 hours. It's been 24 hours. Let's take a look at it. I put a wet towel on it overnight just to keep it damp. Okay, I'm going to wet the towel again and then look at it again tomorrow. I also repaired a crack that ran along the inseam of these two steps. I don't hold up much hope for it because cracks are hard to repair. Usually whatever caused a crack is going to cause it to split some more. Plus if any water gets in there, freezes and refreezes, that can cause it to crack as well. But it's been 48 hours. This should be mostly cured. I think it looks pretty good. And I'm pretty happy with the product. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.